Big Dog.
Somebody's getting a Watergate salad today. This is Eunice Lumpkin in Elm City. Is this Cat?
Yes, Eunice. Hey.
You know, I told you I don't sleep well at night. I think I told you that.
Oh, yeah. I know all about that.
I got up last night and I said, Cat needs a Watergate salad. It's been a while since I've run it out. It's your favorite, I know, and it's got raisins in it, just like you like.
Well, I don't like raisins.
You don't like raisins
I'll
in
pick
it?
them out. I'll pick them out.
Lucas, pick those raisins out right now.
No.
My 26-year-old grandson who is single is here to borrow money.
Keep Lucas out of my Watergate salad.
He doesn't mind at all.
Yeah,
Cat.
but he doesn't wash his hands.
It's not a bit of problem on him at all. He can do that. Oh, look, I got you some coconut brownies and stewed tomatoes, and I put a little corn in the stewed tomatoes when I canned them.
Okay.
You know what Janice says, it looks like when you have your teeth pulled, because the tomatoes looks like the blood and the corn looks like the teeth. But it's not. It's just stewed tomatoes and corn. But I'm going to run that out. Actually, I'm not going to, Cat. Janice and her boyfriend Snake are coming by. She's teaching a line dance extra class this week. And they're going to stop by on their way. But she's going to bring that and some clothes I found in my attic. I think I told you about it a long time ago. It was some clothes that Janice and Tina and Marie, my daughters, used to have. I thought would be nice for you. So they're bringing all that by the Watergate salad. I can't wait to hear how you like it. I'm going to ask you Monday.
Well, keep Lucas's hands out of it, please.
He's all got them all out now, so you don't have to worry about the raisins.
They've been in it, though.
I think he used a spoon.
You think?
I think so. Have I told you he's single?
Yes.
I think he's going at that program tomorrow to see if there are any single women. As a matter of fact, Lucas is sending out the song today. If I could introduce it, it's one that he would like to send out to that little girl that he dated and she won't call him back. He's thinking that this might help us. It's by Luke Bryan.
Yeah, that's right. Luke Bryan.
I don't want this night to end.
He doesn't want that night to end?
And he's going to send it out to her.
I think she might want the night to end.
Well, he's hoping she'll call him back. He's a good boy. This is Eunice Lumpkin in Elm City. And at this time, I would like to introduce a little boy in country music named Luke Bryan. I don't want this night to end. This is going out for my 26-year-old single grandson, Lucas, who has just come by to borrow money on 98.5 The Big Dog.